look into the open interest analysis. As you all know, tracking the open interest is always giving you an edge, and it will also help you to have a view on the market. So currently, when you look into the closing prices from 8,000 to 9,000, it is till yesterday, and today's data is not included here. So from 8,000, it jumped to 8,875, 870, 9,000, 9,000, 8,930, and 9,000. Okay. So when you look into the behavior here, these are all like, on the upside from 8,000, it is really a big upside move you could look into. So when we are looking into the prices on the rise, how about the open interest? Look into the open interest from 95 lakhs, 90,000, 95 lakhs, 51, and 93 lakhs. When you see when the price is increasing, the open interest got reduced. That means the short positions were covered. So people are covering their short position. That is what we would be able to look into. Then it jumped to 1 crore from 93 lakhs. Next it jumped to 1 crore. So you'll be able to understand the behavior, of the market participants can be viewed based on the price direction and how the open interest increase or decrease. When you see the price is increasing here, but the open interest is now it is falling all these days, so it indicates the short covering. Then the price start moving up continuously, then you will see already it jumped here. This is 1 lakh crore contracts. So it jumped. So when it jumped, it shows there's a fresh buying coming in. And when the price moves up slightly, it went down 93 and 91 lakhs. So what is happening here again? There is a profit booking, right? So there is a profit booking. After the increase in the open interest, when it start decreasing and price also marginally decreasing, this is giving indication there is a profit booking in this area. Then again start moving up. You can see the open interest start moving up. Then fresh longs are built. A short covering, profit booking, and fresh long. So all those happenings can be gauged with the change in the price and change in the open interest. So this is how we analyze the open interest of a Nifty, which will also give us a bigger picture about the market. So some kind of strength has come into this market. How far it will stay or withstand, also we will discuss when we touch the chart. We'll go in detail about those, the strength of the present upward momentum. Today, when you looked into the underlying, when you say underlying, that is the spot price moved up, that we are all aware of it. As well, when you looked into the open interest, increased by 8.35 lakhs. You can see here the open interest also increased by 8.35 lakhs, ending with 1 crore 2 lakh. So the underlying went up and the open interest also went up. So it's the continuous fresh buying is happening in this scenario.